In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hair and lip color in Luminar Neo. This quick and easy tutorial will walk you through the steps to transform your images in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to add a pop of color or experiment with a new look, Luminar Neo offers powerful tools to make these edits seamlessly. To begin, launch Luminar Neo from your desktop. If you're new to this software, you'll find it offers a plethora of features that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Once the program is open, you'll want to select your image. Navigate to the Catalog tab. Here, you can click directly on an image from the list if you have previously imported it. If your image isn't there, no worries. Simply click on Add Photos and choose your desired image from your computer's files. With your image loaded, it's time to move into the editing phase, which is where the magic happens. Click on the Edit tab, located at the top of your screen. This will take you to the workspace where you can access a variety of editing tools. Now, head over to the Essentials section, and from there, select the Color tool. This is a crucial step as it's the gateway to altering hues and adding vibrancy. Next, you'll focus on the Masking tab within the Color tool. Click on it and choose Mask AI. Luminar Neo is equipped with an intelligent AI that usually detects and masks areas like hair and lips automatically. This can save you a significant amount of time and make the editing process much smoother. Now simply click on either the hair or lips within your image. The Mask AI feature will then work its magic, generating a selection around those areas. However, AI isn't perfect, so it's a good idea to ensure your selection is as precise as possible. For more detailed refinement, use the Brush tool. This handy tool allows you to manually adjust the mask. You can erase any spots that were inadvertently selected, or paint in areas that the AI may have missed. Taking a moment to refine the mask can make a world of difference in how natural your final image will look. With the meticulously applied mask in place, you're ready for the fun part, changing the color of your selected area. Experiment with different shades to see what complements your image best. Luminar Neo provides a wide range of color options, allowing you to either subtly enhance or dramatically alter the appearance to suit your creative vision. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing hair and lip color in Luminar Neo. By leveraging the power of AI and a few manual tweaks, you can easily achieve professional-looking results. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how you can transform your photos into stunning works of art. Don't forget to subscribe and watch for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your editing tools.